Hi, I'm Todd and I'm the GM of Mag-Torch, and today I want to talk about our MagFlame 360 Pro and all the different features and benefits and use cases that are available on this torch. First and foremost, this torch is regulated, so you get a more consistent flame despite angle of operation and ambient temperature. It has an adjustable flame. It has a trigger lock to lock out your flame when you're not using the torch or when you're carrying the torch. It has a run lock feature that allows the torch to operate with the flame running without having your finger on the trigger. It also has a 360-degree swivel where you can move this torch tip in any direction, lock it down, and run it in any position. The torch also can be used in a inverted position, so you can use it upside down or straight up. And this torch actually works with both your MAP-Pro fuel as well as your propane fuel. So just to show you a few things on the torch, pull the trigger, you have the flame, release the trigger, the flame goes out, pull the trigger, you go to consistent flame and inverted use. So this is great if you're going to do some large soft soldering on some larger pipe, or if you want to do smaller work and you just want to complete the job faster. Great torch for all around light brazing and throwing down significant heat if you have a rusty bolt that you really need to break loose. Please visit us on magtorch.com to find out more information about this torch and any other torch in our lineup.